current electricity, the second or next topic, application of potentiometer. The potentiometer or principle of potentiometer are applicable for first, the potentiometer acts as a voltage divider. The potentiometer or potentiometer wire or potentiometer divide the voltage in the given circuit. Suppose we consider a potentiometer wire A, B. Suppose this is connected to source whose EMF E plug key K. The key is closed. The current I passing through this potentiometer wire AB. Suppose Phi is the potential difference of this potentiometer from A to B. Let's suppose a point P at some distance A to P. The potential A to P is say VAP and A to B is PAB. And suppose A to P the length L1 and P to B the length is L2. That means the potential or this potentiometer divide this wire into L1, two segments, that is L1 and L2, and the potential due to at A to P is VAP and the distance L2, the potential suppose VAB minus VA. That means this potentiometer divide the segment of this length into L1 and L2. This is the first application of potentiometer, that is divide the segment into length L1 and L2. The second application of potentiometer, this potentiometer used as a audio control system. In sliding potentiometer is used in low power audio system. This sliding potentiometer used in low power audio system, and sliding is also called faders, and rotary potentiometer is also called knobs. These two types of the potentiometer. First is sliding, it is also called fader. Another rotary potentiometer, this is also called knob. If we tune, this knob acts as a button, and if we tune or if you rotate this knob, the frequency of sound is controlled. Or if frequency of sound is increases or decreases if we rotate the knob of given potentiometer. Also, if we rotate this knob, the loudness is also changed. That means in sliding and rotary potentiometer is used in audio control system to change the frequency, also loudness of the given system. This is the second application of potentiometer. The third application of potentiometer, this potentiometer used as a sensor or potentiometer is applicable for this sensor or acts as a sensor. Mostly or generally slider potentiometer is connected to moving part of any type of machine. The machine, there is all types of all parts, but the moving part of the machine, the slider potentiometer is connected to moving part of that machine. Then that machine or that part works as a motion sensor. If the moving part changes up and down or to and fro, that means there is displacement of that part. If there is large displacement or small displacement, if the displacement is small of this moving part, cause there is change in potential. If this moving part changes, there is displacement, or if this displacement is very small or very large, there is change in potential. And this change in potential, which is amplified using amplifier circuit. This change in potential is amplified using amplifier circuit, and that means this working of this sensor depends upon the displacement of that moving part of machine. These are the applications of potentiometer. Then we discuss about advantage of potentiometer. We know that the potential difference is measured using voltmeter and potentiometer. The advantage of potentiometer. The first advantage is the potentiometer. The potentiometer is more sensitive than voltmeter. This is the first advantage of potentiometer. The potentiometer is more sensitive than voltmeter. Both potentiometer and voltmeter measure the potential difference in the given circuit. Second application or second advantage of this potentiometer, the potentiometer is used to determine very small about 10 raised to minus 6 volt. Very small, about 10 raised to minus 6 volt potential difference. But voltmeter cannot measure this very small potential difference, but potentiometer used to determine very small potential difference about 10 raised to minus 6 volt. That means very small potential difference. This voltmeter cannot measure this type of potential difference, but potentiometer is measured up to 10 raised to minus 6 volt. That means very small potential difference is measured using potentiometer. Third application or advantage, the potentiometer is used to determine EMF of given cell. This potentiometer is used to determine EMF of cell, but voltmeter cannot be measure the EMF of cell. The potentiometer is used to determine internal resistance of cell. The potentiometer is used to determine EMF of the given cell, and the potentiometer is also used to determine internal resistance of cell. This is the advantage of potentiometer over voltmeter. There is two disadvantage of this potentiometer, also called demerit of the potentiometer. Disadvantage of potentiometer, or it is also called demerit. Demerit of potentiometer. First demerit of potentiometer is the potentiometer is not easy to handle. That is, it is not portable. It is not portable. That means it is not easy to carry one place to another place. This is the first disadvantage or demerit of the potentiometer. And second, using potentiometer direct measurement of potential difference and EMF is not possible. This is two demerits or disadvantage of this potentiometer. It is not portable. The size of potentiometer is very large than voltmeter. Second disadvantage is this is direct measurement is impossible. In case of voltmeter, if we determine potential difference, if we determine EMF, if we determine internal resistance of cell, the direct method is not possible. We are using indirect method to determine such, but using voltmeter we read the direct potential difference. Using potentiometer we can't, or direct method is not possible using voltmeter, or sorry, using potentiometer. This is the two demerit of potentiometer over voltmeter.